morning, everyone. So we're kicking off the Financial Spring series with a very important topic, how to organize your financial life in March. So as we approach tax season, it's just the perfect time to declutter, streamline, and just set the stage for a financially organized year. So let's jump right in. March is not just about spring cleaning your home. It's also such a good time to clean up and organize your financial life. So picture this, a clutter-free financial space that allows you to navigate tax season and beyond with ease. First things first, let's talk about gathering all your financial documents. Grab a folder or use digital tools like folders on your desktop to collect W-2s, 1099s, receipts, and any other documents really. Having everything in one place makes tax preparation really easy. In the digital age, there are fantastic tools and apps to help you organize your finances seamlessly. So consider using budgeting apps, expense trackers, or document scanners just to keep everything in order. And check out this video for some of my favorites. These tools can save time and reduce paper clutter. A financial calendar is such a game changer. Mark important dates such as tax deadlines, bill due dates, and financial reviews. This visual aid just helps you stay on top of your financial responsibilities and allows you to really plan ahead. And organization doesn't just stop with your current documents. This would be such a great time to organize all your past financial records. So file away old statements, receipts, and important paperwork. Not only does this clear up all your physical space, but it makes finding your information so much easier. And as you organize, don't forget about your financial goals. Really use this time to reassess. Are you still focused on the goal that you set at the beginning of the year? As we're nearing the end of the quarter, you have some data to work with. So this is such a great time to collect the data and decide what you will be doing going forward. And don't give up. There's still several weeks into the quarter and that you can decide will make the difference towards your goal. And having this clear focus will help guide your financial decisions, and it keeps you motivated throughout the year. So there you have it, a guide to organizing your financial life in March. And by taking these steps, you're not only preparing for tax season, but also setting the stage for a more organized and financially successful year. If you found this video helpful, and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. And stay tuned for our next video in the Financial Spring Cleaning series. Until then, happy organizing. Thanks for joining us today. And if you have any questions or topics that you'd like me to cover in the future videos, leave them in the comments below.